For the outdoor chef who wants the best in both style and performance, Broil King's Regal series is the perfect choice. Broil King's legendary cooking system gives you the ability to cook almost anything on your grill and in any style you desire. Each component of the cooking system is designed and engineered for one purpose: great barbecue flavor. All Regal models come with either 4 or 5 high-quality stainless steel dual-tube side-ported burners. These powerful tube-and-tube burners play a key role in providing efficient heat through more than 120 ports. Each burner has 2 ribbons of flame for a total of 8 or 10 rows across the entire surface of the grill. This means that you get more flame and more heat per square inch and the ultimate in even heat distribution. The stainless steel Flav-R-Wave cooking system provides superior heat distribution across the entire surface of the grill and protects the burners. Drippings that fall onto the Flav-R-Wave are instantly vaporized. The vapor created through this process infuses back into the food for that unmistakable barbecue flavor. All Regal models come with extra heavy, professional-grade cast iron or stainless steel cooking grids. Both deliver excellent heat retention and exceptional searing power to lock in juices and flavor. Broil King's cast iron cooking grids have 2 sides. One side is pointed for those perfect steakhouse sear marks, while the other side has grooves for continuous basting. Broil King's durable stainless steel cooking grids are crafted with heavy gauge 9mm rods. This design makes them both easy to use and easy to clean. When combining Broil King's dual tube burners, Flav-R-Wave cooking system, and professional-grade cooking grids, you have the luxury of utilizing the entire cooking surface for high heat searing. Or you have the ability to use a section of the grill as a sear zone. Broil King gives you the performance and the versatility. Made from high-grade stainless steel and cast aluminum, the cookbox provides excellent heat retention and long-lasting durability. It's designed to allow even heat and precise control. Linear flow valves with 180-degree SensiTouch control knobs give you infinite heat control, allowing you to set your grill to the perfect temperature for searing, roasting, or slow cooking. Here are some other great features available on select Regal models. A convenient commercial-grade side burner allows you to do more. Create mouth-watering side dishes, soups, or sauces while you grill. A powerful rotisserie burner comes complete with a premium rod and motor to consistently deliver even heat for superior roasting results. Made from quality North American steel, the cabinet doors are available in either stainless steel or black powder coat paint, and accented with durable stainless steel handles. All Regal models come equipped with a premium AccuTemp thermometer to show precise temperature. The easy-to-lift lid is available in either stainless steel or a black porcelain enameled finish. The stylish cast aluminum end caps provide added durability and heat retention. When you're grilling at night, the control knobs illuminate to create a look that's both attractive and functional. The stainless steel side shelves come with convenient condiment bins and tool hooks to keep all of your grilling essentials close at hand. With a convenient pull-out drawer, tank changers are both quick and easy. All Regal models come with 4 durable locking casters and 2 leg levelers that quickly and firmly stabilize your Broil King on uneven surfaces. Broil King uses high-quality stainless steel for many components. All other steel is zinc-coated and further protected by an epoxy paint that is baked on through a powder coat process. This premium triple coat process provides superior rust protection. The Regal series is backed by a great warranty. This ensures that your grill will perform for many years to come. Proudly built in North America and built to last. The Regal series by Broil King. Great barbecues every time.